Kentucky Fried Chicken. In Kentucky. I think this is the best Kentucky Fried Chicken I ever had.
Hello everyone! In today's video we will be making fried chicken, but 4 different types of meat. Strips, lollipops made from chicken legs, lollipops from drumsticks, and boneless flats.
Then we go around and pretending as though the breast of the chicken is its wing? I propose that we rename boneless wings.
Now let's prepare our chicken. And we will start with drumsticks. First we need to make a cut, then separate 2 pieces of the skin and remove top portion. You might want to get rid of excess pieces of skin and meat, just to make it look nice. Now the same way with wings drumsticks. And it's really easy to make a real boneless wings from your flats.
What do we do about the bones?
We do this.
For breast tenders, we just go into prick it with the fork, so it will be more tender once marinated. Now it's time to marinate. Buttermilk, couple eggs, and pickle juice. Add your chicken and leave it for as long as you have patience for it.
Do not have time for this.
We're gonna make kinda thin here, and we'll make raisin cane sauce for KFC chicken. 1 cup of each mayo and ketchup. Tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Teaspoon of garlic powder. And the main ingredient, 1 teaspoon of freshly grounded black pepper. Mix it all until combined.
Nice.
We have no idea what 11 spices KFC is using for the spice flour, so that's what we're gonna use. My house, my rules. 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 of a teaspoon of thyme, 1/2 of a teaspoon of basil, 1/3 of a teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of dried mustard, 4 teaspoons of paprika, 2 teaspoons of garlic salt, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, 3 teaspoons of white pepper, and 1/2 of a teaspoon of MSG.
MSG?
Also, we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 cup of breadcrumbs. And give it a good mix. Now it's time for breading. Add few drops of the marinade. And key action here is to push the meat down into the flour like that. Finally, let's fry our chicken. Alright, we have our food served, and as always, I ain't getting any piece of it.
Eat the goddamn thing.
So I hope you guys liked it. Put down in the comments what would you like us to cook next.